Today, let's dive into one of Friedrich Nietzsche's most fascinating ideas, the concept of eternal recurrence. Imagine, if you will, every event in the universe repeating infinitely exactly the same in an endless cycle. At its core, this thought experiment challenges us. Nietzsche asks, if you were to live the same life over and over for eternity, would you consider it a curse or a blessing? This isn't just a quirky philosophical puzzle, it's a profound invitation to affirm life, to live in such a way that you'd embrace each moment, no matter how many times it returns. Now, how does this tie into Nietzsche's other ideas? Well, accepting and affirming one's life, in all its detail repeatedly, is seen as the ultimate form of self-overcoming, a trait of the Übermensch or Superman in Nietzsche's philosophy. This concept isn't just about time loops, it's about our approach to life itself. From an ethical standpoint, eternal recurrence serves as a mirror, forcing us to scrutinize our actions. If you had to live your life repeatedly, how would you change your behavior? Would you find joy and fulfillment in your actions, knowing they are forever? Scholars are still debating. Did Nietzsche see this as a literal cosmic cycle, or more as a psychological challenge? Regardless, it's clear that this idea has profound existential implications, pushing us to live authentically and with purpose. Now let's take this a step further. What if the concept of eternal recurrence isn't just philosophical, but a literal reality? Consider the Uniplanetary Evolution Theory, which suggests that each planet in our solar system represents Earth at different stages of its evolutionary timeline. Mars as a future Earth devastated by cosmic impacts. Venus as an ancient Earth before it had oceans or the Moon. In this grand cycle, humans might use advanced technology like medical nanobots to become virtually immortal. These tiny machines could repair our bodies at a cellular level endlessly. An astronaut, transformed and immortal, would venture to these planets, helping humanity to continuously adapt and survive, thus creating a literal loop in time where we live, die, and are reborn endlessly. This brings us to a poignant realization. We're not just living lives, we're crafting eternities. Every hug, every smile, every tear is infinitely significant. If this loop is real, then every action is tied to eternity. How would you live knowing your life is a never-ending cycle? As Nietzsche would argue, this isn't about fear of repetition. It's about the joy of affirming life again and again. So I ask you, how would you choose to live if every moment came back to greet you endlessly? Let's ponder on that. If you are a passionate explorer of the mysteries in our cosmos and eager to uncover new perspectives, you've come to the right place. We post thought-provoking videos every day, so don't miss out on any of our mind-blowing episodes. Hit that subscribe button now and embark on more awe-inspiring voyages of discovery.